Hey everybody, welcome back. Happy Friday. Today is our first academic learning day today, so there is no workout. So you're welcome. It's been a rest day. Being Friday, make sure you've turned in all your assignments for this week. Starting next week, there'll be more late points taken off. So make sure before you hit the weekend that you've turned in the assignments that have been due for this week. All right, so if we go ahead and look at today's page, if you're already watching this video, awesome. You see here that we are talking about heart rate zones today. So IndyFit is usually based around you wearing a heart rate monitor every day. And by telling which zone you're in, it's kind of basing on like your level of activity. So the higher your heart rate, the harder you're working, that kind of stuff. So we're trying to learn today a little bit about that so that we can start thinking in our own minds without wearing heart rate monitors, how that's going to look for us. So to do that, you're going to start by watching this video. It's like a 2-minute video. Polar is the name of the heart rate monitors that you guys use every day. So she kind of goes through what all the zones mean, what is a heart rate, what's a max heart rate. It's again 2 minutes, so super short, but a lot of information packed in there. All right, then there's this chart here as well, talking about our maximum heart rate is our red, the hard heart rate, that's 80 to 90% of our max heart rate. We have our green, our blue, and then our gray. Which is where we start out every single time when you start working out, and then that's where we recover as well. So after watching this video and reading through this, you're going to complete today's assignment. So by doing that, you're going to click on this PDF here, and you're going to download that into Notability. So this is how we're going to turn in a lot of our academic assignments, is doing this PDF and then putting it in Notability and then turning it in. So if you have an issue with Notability or PDFs, let me know. I can send it to you as a Word document, or we can try to figure it out. So email me and let me know, but this should work. So once you've opened that in your Notability, make sure you are typing all of your answers. Okay, no handwriting answers, points will be taken off for that. So typing it, and then we're going to submit it into the exit ticket place right here. So if we click on this heart rate zone thing, it'll take us to the worksheet for today. So there are 6 questions. That's it. Okay, the first one, you're going to calculate your own resting heart rate. So we're going to have to do some math today. So by doing this, you're going to put your fingers on your neck and find your pulse. Okay, you're going to watch a clock for 30 seconds. Count how many times you feel your heartbeat. Okay, after 30 seconds, you're going to write it in there. Then you're going to take this number that you just wrote and multiply it by 2. Okay, and you're going to put it here. Okay, because that's 60 seconds, that's a minute. Okay, this is your heart rate, your resting heart rate, and then you're going to put this answer in here as well. So my resting heart rate is blank beats per minute is what BPM stands for. All right, then we're going to go down here. You're going to highlight or circle the correct answer for this question, highlight or circle this answer, define this term, okay, maximum heart rate. So in the video, she defines this term, so go back and see what she has to say about it. You're going to find your maximum heart rate. So she talks about this as well. You take 220 and you're going to subtract your age. So however old you are, you're going to put that here. That's going to be your max heart rate. All right. And then last question here, circle or highlight the answer. All right. After you're done with that, again, you're going to upload it here by 11:59 tonight, and you are done. Enjoy your weekend.